Hello everyone, it's me Khurram here for you. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can lose your belly fats and how you can control your cholesterol. So guys, now we're going to start our video, and here I'm going to divide this video into three parts. The first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients. In my second part, I will let you know about the ingredients with the quantity, and the last part, it would be related to the procedure where I will let you know how to make it. So guys, now we are going to our first part of the video where I will let you know some about the ingredients and some about the facts. Besides paying attention to what we eat, avoid stress and exercising, there are some very special ingredients that can help you to maintain your health. One of these ingredients is a garlic, a potent natural antibiotic which has been used for the centuries to promote well-being. Another food that has been considered to be a holy remedy for the centuries is wine. This drink, which has been used as a medicine for thousands of years, has proven benefits that go well beyond popular belief. When we combine these two wonderful ingredients, we have the recipe for a powerful remedy that is capable of healing more than 100 diseases related to the respiratory, immune, lymphatic, cardiovascular system, in addition to treating problems in organs such as the liver and the kidney. So guys, that was some about the benefits of the ingredients. Now we are going to our second part of the video where I will let you know about the ingredients with the quantity. So guys, for the solution we have needed only two ingredients. Number one, we have needed the cloves of the garlic, and number two, we have needed the red wine. So guys, now we'll talk about the quantity, and for our first ingredients, garlic cloves, we have needed 12 in a quantity, and our second ingredients, red wine, we have needed almost half liter. So guys, these were some ingredients with the quantity. Now we are going to our last part of the video where I will share with you the process how to make it. Start by cutting each of the garlic clove into 4 pieces and then mix them with the red wine in a glass jar. Close the jar tightly to store it for 2 weeks in a cool, airy place out of direct sunlight. During this time, shake the jar twice daily. After 2 weeks, pour the content to this jar into a new darker jar. So guys, that was a simple and the easy procedure to lose your belly fats by using this ingredient. So guys, that was the video for today. Next time I will come with some other interesting and useful solutions. Till that time, take care.